First, verify your Tesla's internet connection. Spotify relies on either the car's built-in cellular data, such as LTE or 5G, or a Wi-Fi hotspot. Check the signal strength in the car's settings menu. If the signal is weak, this could cause buffering or disconnects. If the signal is weak, try resetting the network configuration or connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. Ensure the vehicle's SIM card is active and has good data coverage. A personal hotspot from your phone can be a reliable alternative if the built-in data is unreliable. Tesla recommends using a personal hotspot for stable connections. Account and authentication errors are common issues when Spotify isn't working in your Tesla Model S. Spotify requires a premium account linked to your Tesla profile to function properly in the vehicle. Common causes include expired subscriptions, incorrect login credentials, or mismatches between your Spotify and Tesla accounts. To resolve these errors, you'll need to reauthorize your Spotify connection in the Tesla infotainment system. First, access the main infotainment screen on your Tesla Model S. From there, select the Apps option from the menu. In the Apps menu, choose the Spotify application. Within the Spotify app, access the Settings menu. In Settings, select the Logout option to disconnect your current account. Finally, log back in using your correct Spotify username and password to reauthorize the connection. Unlike mobile apps, reinstalling Spotify involves clearing the cache or force restarting the system. Clearing the browser cache within the Tesla's browser interface that hosts the Spotify app can resolve temporary glitches. If problems persist, try a soft reset by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This restarts the infotainment system. Ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air OTA updates that patch bugs and improve compatibility. If basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset of the infotainment system can be a last resort. Be aware this erases all data, restoring the system to its default settings. Only attempt factory reset after backing up important data. Sometimes, Tesla software updates themselves can cause Spotify issues. If you experience widespread crashes after an update, check Tesla forums for reports of similar problems. In some cases, Tesla may roll back problematic updates. For example, the V12 software rollout in late 2024 caused widespread Spotify crashes for many Model S owners, as reported in Tesla forums. If you experience widespread crashes after an update, check Tesla forums like Tesla Motors Club for reports of similar problems. This can help confirm if it's a known issue. In some cases, Tesla may roll back problematic updates. For instance, in early 2025, a V12 beta release caused crashes and was rolled back with a fix issued shortly after. Following official troubleshooting steps released by Tesla support is crucial during these periods. Use Tesla's diagnostic tools to identify specific issues. Always follow the official troubleshooting steps provided by Tesla support to avoid further complications. Clearing the browser cache after an update is a good starting point. This can resolve authentication and loading issues by removing stored data that may conflict with the new software. Remember, proactive maintenance like clearing cache after updates can help prevent persistent Spotify issues in your Tesla Model S. To minimize Spotify issues in your Tesla Model S, start by prioritizing a stable internet connection. This is especially important in areas with weak cellular coverage. Check the signal strength in your car's settings menu and consider using a personal hotspot if the built-in data connection is unreliable. Regularly check for and install Tesla software updates to ensure compatibility. Use over-the-air updates or visit a service center. Recent V12 updates have improved Spotify integration and fixed many bugs. Keep your Spotify subscription active and ensure your login credentials are correct. Premium accounts are required for integration. If issues persist, reauthorize Spotify through the car's settings menu. If using a hotspot, ensure it provides sufficient bandwidth for streaming. Aim for at least 10 to 25 MB to avoid buffering, especially with multiple users or high-quality audio. Periodically clearing the cache in your Tesla's infotainment system can prevent problems. Access the browser settings to clear cache, doing this monthly or whenever issues occur to maintain smooth Spotify streaming. Looking ahead, deeper Spotify Tesla integration brings AI-driven personalization, adapting playlists to your driving habits like energetic music for highways. Future updates will enable offline caching without needing premium workarounds. Enhanced voice integration allows hands-free control through AI assistants like Grok. As software matures, troubleshooting drops to under 10% by 2030, with AI-assisted diagnostics resolving issues automatically.